Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Cash App sponsor request limit reach. So if you have this particular problem, what you can do is to make sure you do these steps. So in order to fix this, you can wait at the limit reset because Cash App imposes the limit on the number of sponsorship requests you can send within a certain time frame. So this actually refreshes on a specific period. It can be per month or per day or per week. You can also contact Cash App support in order to actually send sponsor requests. And if you think there are error on your limit, you can reach out to them. You can also use an alternative sponsor because if you have underage or facing restriction, you can consider using your friends, your parents, or guardian as your sponsor. You also need to delete resend requests because if you've sent multiple requests that are still pending, you can cancel those requests and try sending new ones. In that way, it will refresh. You need to also review the terms and condition in order to familiarize yourself with their policy, and you can also try to update the app. In that way, any bugs or issues in older version could be solved. So that's how you fix Cash App sponsor request limit reach. Hope you helped.